Today's video is going to take you on the next step from downloading the software to actually using the software to record your slide. What you're going to want to do is click on Create Recording. Since you've already downloaded it now, from this point forward, you'll just have to click on Start, open the YUJA software, and you'll see this setup screen. You do have the option of using your webcam and have your image appear in the bottom corner of the screen as you're talking. I'll leave that up to you whether you want to do that. I'm not going to require that. The main thing I want is a good audio presentation. That means you're also going to want to use this option right here to select the correct microphone. Once you've done that, then you're ready to get started. Now what I'm going to do is navigate to my slide and set that up as slideshow. So now that it's taking up the whole screen. So this is where you're going to begin your presentation. I'll show you in another video how to go in and edit and get rid of all the stuff that happened at the beginning so that the only thing that you're going to have in your presentation is your actual slideshow. I decided to use for my demonstration some images from one of my favorite places in the state of Texas, and probably one of my top 3 places in the whole United States, and that's Big Bend National Park. It was established as a national park on June 12th of 1944. It derives its name from the fact that it sits literally in the bend of the Rio Grande River, which runs along the border of the state of Texas. It's 1,252 square miles of national park. If you're looking for a place to get away and not have to necessarily run into anybody for a while, it's a great place to go. If you're not sure what 1,252 square miles looks like, it's also the same as 800,163 acres. It's the 15th largest park in the United States. The highest point is 7,832 feet in elevation, and the lowest point is 1,850. One of the things that's so unique about the Big Bend National Park is that it comprises many different zones. You've got mountains, you've got the Chihuahuan Desert, you've got a river ecosystem growing along the Big Bend, the Rio Grande, and you have mountains. So it's a really unique place in terms of the flora and the fauna that you'll find in a national park. If you're a geology buff and you haven't been there yet, you absolutely must go, because every type of geologic formation you can imagine is found in this one park. And it's those reasons that this was established as a national park, because of the uniqueness of the environment there. So once you get done talking about your slide, and you finish at the end of your 3 minutes, and this really does need to be just 3 minutes, so it's one of those things where you're going to need to write out your script, practice it so that you can get your timing down so that it's literally a 3-minute presentation. But once you've finished that and you've gotten to the end of your 3 minutes, you're going to stop the presentation. Click on the square button here that's going to be finish,